Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips, and today we are talking about the all-new Dride Dashcam, the DrideOn and the DrideOn Duo, now available on Kickstarter. I am an original backer on Kickstarter. I have their Dashcam and use it every time I get in the car. I love it. It works great. Video quality is fantastic, and when I need to access a file, guess what? I don't need to wait till I get home and put that on my computer. Right there on my app, I could get in there and I could see the different videos, and if I need to access and pull one down to share social media or to have an email for something that occurred, then I can do that, and that really makes a big difference. So one, again, there could be an accident and you wanted to, just share what happened, or you might have gotten into an accident and the police officer asked what happened. Well, you got it right there on the dash cam, which is great. So you'll be able to have, with the new one, what they've taken is some of the areas where it worked well, but improved on that from the app, and also the internal, the whole system is new and improved. Now where they've really gone, and you'll see in the campaign, is not only will it capture video on the road, but it will also capture here in your car. So many things happen. You might have a conversation, an experience might happen, something funny, you're with your family and you want to do a funny video, because they're going to make it fun too. So I don't know if you've ever seen these kind of background screens that you could do with like Zoom conferencing. Well, you'll be able to do that with your car window and make it really fun. So if you capture that special event, you press the button, or you can access the file quickly, and then you could share that on social media. So it's definitely taking things to the next level. Just love the quality. It's truly amazing, and they give you the date and the time. You can do 1 minute increments and then all these different settings. So for me, where it's worked really well is when I need that video file, I go into the app and pull it, and then I have access to it. So it's great. Now here's an example. Now I was driving and I missed the front camera by seconds capturing this car hitting, because the car hit, and I saw that after as I passed, and you can actually hear it. But
oh my gosh.
I was driving along the road. There was a mattress in the middle of the road, and I captured that.
26 East Volume 1, that is due out on May 22nd. And in this interview, he's talking about putting all of the anger and
then I was able to share it. I shared that on the Dride, on my Dride page. So you can not only share on social media, but you can also upload it to your Dride account, and it's great. I really love what they're doing, but especially with having a dash cam, having the technology with the app and accessing those files, and now that you'll have this internal camera as well, this is great. So if you have a YouTube channel, or you have some other kind of video blogging that you're doing where you can capture it, you're going to get high quality video, and you'll be able to use that file quickly and easily, and right there at the fingertips with the app on the phone. So check it out today. Back the campaign. I'll try and answer any questions you have. I can just tell you my experience has been great as far as accessing those files when I need them, and no longer needing my old camera where I would have to wait till I got home to access those files. All right, everybody, have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the next video. And Dride, best of luck. Hope this campaign goes even better than the first time around. Take care.